Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the scanner and establishing the link to your device. This is critical because scans transmit data immediately. Once done, plug the USB or enable Bluetooth pairing mode, then accept any device prompts. Make sure the app or field that will receive codes is active. If the cursor isn't in place, scans go nowhere. You do this now to avoid wasted scans and to confirm real-time input, so you can move to aiming and trigger steps without interruption. You now focus on execution. Choose continuous, trigger, or batch mode depending on workflow, because each changes how data is captured and stored. Once the mode is set, center the barcode in the aimer and hold roughly 6 to 12 inches, about 15 to 30 centimeters, away. This distance optimizes the sensor's depth of field. Make sure lighting is even, reduce glare and turn on auto-aim or laser guides to help align. After that, press the trigger or let the continuous mode. You finish by verifying each scan appears correctly in your application. This prevents data errors later. Once verified, save or transmit batch scans and clear the device buffer to prepare for the next session. If something goes wrong, try one quick fix. Check the connection, then confirm the scanner's code type and suffix/prefix settings match your system. Also clean the lens. If problems persist, restart the scanner and device, and repair. Those steps solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.